I'm Meteorologist Courtney Jorgensen. Can we keep the sunshine going for Dad this weekend? I'll have your guaranteed weather forecast coming up next, plus your 5-degree guarantee at the bottom of the hour. We had some active weather earlier this afternoon. You can see on the first warn Doppler, that was 4 o'clock. Those showers and storms moved their way on through very quickly. However, we did have severe thunderstorm warnings with those and actually did have a couple storm reports, but nothing too significant. We do still have a high rip current risk overnight tonight. That continues until about 2 a.m. overnight tonight. So stay out of the water for a bit longer. Waves are about 3 to 5 feet in height. But the good news is, as we head into the rest of the weekend, things aren't looking too bad. You can get out into the water then. Okay, now it's my turn to do the 5-degree guarantee. I had a predicted high today of 79 degrees. The actual high, pretty close to it. We did actually make it up to 78 degrees. So surprisingly, we're just going to keep this jackpot growing. Another $28 in there brings it up to $2,156. Could be yours if we're ever off by more than 5 degrees. You can get registered by going to our website at fox28.com. Gorgeous day today, gorgeous sunset yet again. I had to take a number of pictures on the tower cam today. These are all coming off of our Fox 28 tower cam today. This was the beginning of sunset. We progressed a little bit more. You can see some optical illusions. Looks like a second sun there. Love those shots. Then as we headed even just a few more minutes later, take a look at this. The beautiful yellows and orange hues in this. Just a gorgeous sunset. If you have sunset pictures, we still have some sunny days ahead. Send them in to us. We would love to see some of those shots. We have a few extra clouds today, but as you can see on the first warn Doppler, we're dry at this hour, but rotate this back for 6 hours, and you can see there were some scattered light rain showers just to the northeast and to the west. They managed to just dissipate across us and leaving us nice and dry. So no showers today, and we won't see any tonight, but there's a chance we could see some before we wrap up the weekend. But those are kind of building in. Here's a bit of rain showers and some thunderstorms. Looks like they're trying to work their way further towards the east, but lucky for us, high pressure is going to hold us steady and hold us dry. Here's high pressure right now. It's just to the north of Michiana. As we head into tomorrow, it'll actually not move very much. It just stays pretty much in place, and that's going to continue to bring us sunshine. So it does hold off that cold front to the north and keeps that moisture that was over towards the west. It keeps it off to the north. So for us, we're just going to keep pumping in that air. Again, mid to upper 80s tomorrow, and then as we head into Sunday for Father's Day, it looks like we'll be in those upper 80s.
I want some good news.
I wish I had some. If you like snow, that's good news. Rochester already reported 2 inches of snowfall this evening. Akron reporting an inch of snowfall earlier this evening. And there is some snow still out on the first warn Doppler, as you can see around Fulton right now. A little bit further towards the north, Goshen, New Paris, you're going to start to get some of those snow flurries out there as well, too. The bigger picture shows you there isn't too much going on just yet, but as we head overnight, that dreaded lake effect snowfall words, those words, well, those are going to start to pick up, mainly for Berrien and St. Joseph County, Indiana. So that will occur overnight tonight. That does mean there's a potential for some accumulating snowfall, but not just that, cold temperatures. Outside right now, we're right around 32, 33 degrees, but tomorrow, forecasting only 36 degrees for that high temperature. That could break a record cold temperature for our high. Record was 34 back in 1950, 35 in 97 and 89. We'll talk about warmer days ahead and less snowier days as well coming up in a bit. At least temperature-wise, well, we made it up into the mid-40s. A couple folks, Warsaw and Rochester, both made it up to 50 degrees. Unfortunately, temperatures are going to be even cooler than that as we head into the weekend. So if you are going to be out and about tomorrow, maybe you're heading down to the Extravaganza. Downtown South Bend tomorrow, there's our fabulous hopping bunny out there. To start the morning off, temperatures are going to be in the upper 20s. Daytime temperatures will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So do plan to bundle up out there. A lot of outdoor activities. It will be a mostly cloudy, but certainly a fairly chilly day for us.
This is a Fox 28 News severe weather alert.
Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Courtney Jorgensen in the Fox 28 Weather Center. We're still watching a line of severe thunderstorms roll through Michiana. We have a new warning to talk about. So first of all, taking a look at the watches and warnings that are going on right now, we don't have any severe thunderstorm watches, but we do have 2 warnings. Right now, we do have one that continues until about 3:30 this afternoon. That's for Elkhart, northern LaGrange, and southwestern St. Joseph counties. We'll show it to you here on the system. There you go. You can see the first one here until 3:30. A new one for Stark and LaPorte County that goes until 3:45. That's Eastern time, so 2:45 Central time. So again, that is a new warning. With this particular storm, this one here, we're looking at the possibility of 60-mile-per-hour winds, nickel-sized hail. Right now, it's moving to the east at about 45 miles per hour. So show you the big picture, what's going on right now, and you can see that this main line of storms is still moving generally to the east-southeast at about anywhere from 30 to 45 miles per hour. So this storm has been moving at about 30 miles per hour. This next cell is moving at about 30 miles per hour.
Now, your Fox 28 guaranteed forecast with meteorologist Courtney Jorgensen.
It certainly felt warm today, but we actually only made it up to about 86 degrees here in South Bend. All across Michigan, and nobody reached the 90-degree mark, but you can see it wasn't too far off. Chicago hit 90s, Indianapolis hit 90, and I do expect the steamy temperatures to move in as we head towards the weekend. So Saturday and Sunday both in the lower 90s. However, with the humidity, it's going to feel hotter than that. And then we eventually have a cold front coming in through late on Sunday. That's going to drop those temperatures gradually back to more normal temperatures by the time we get towards the end of the week. So a steamy start, and then we gradually see those cooling temperatures. So as you head out to the weekend, I know lots of folks are heading outside. There's lots of fun things to do. Heading through the day tomorrow, it's going to feel pretty warm out there. Here's 2 o'clock or so in the afternoon. Could feel like at the upper 90s to maybe even the lower 100s. And then as we head overnight and into Sunday morning, temperatures not too bad. It'll be about the same as what our actual temperatures are in the lower 70s. But heading throughout the day on Sunday, we could maybe even see temperatures a couple degrees warmer. Our forecast here is actually showing that we could see temperatures feeling like the lower 100s. So we only have the heat advisory in place for Saturday. Wouldn't be surprised if they do extend it into Sunday because of those hot temperatures headed our way. If you're thinking it's a great time to head out to the beach, it certainly is. Silver Beach forecast tomorrow, upper 80s there. The rip current risk is low, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the mid 70s as in the water, so it'll be a nice relief from the heat and humidity. 76 degrees right now at the airport, clear skies, relative humidity 85%, still sticky out there. Taking a look at temperatures across the area, you can see many of us are still in those 70s. Rochester even holding on to 81 right now, but add in that humidity actually and all the moisture in the atmosphere, it certainly feels warmer than that. So outside right now, this is our dew point values. In our dew points themselves, you can see many of us are in the 70s. When we're in the 60s, we're kind of sticky out there. When we're in the 70s, it's just darn right miserable out there, and that's going to continue to be the case as we head into the weekend. All the moisture in the atmosphere, plus mainly calm winds out there tonight, could allow for the potential for some areas of fog through the overnight hours. So do be aware of that. Use caution if you do happen to hit one of those spots of fog overnight tonight. First warn Doppler showing you nothing. There's nothing to show for you. Could have had a shower or storm pop up, but that did not happen today. We stayed dry with a nice mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. Same kind of thing all across the Midwest. Those showers were just a little bit further towards the south. However, we're watching the next batch. All of this, again, still riding along that boundary that has become really stationary. It is going to continue to pump up that warm, moist air from the south as we head into the weekend. We do have that slight chance for a shower or storm to pop up again in the afternoon as we continue to ride along this boundary, so I'll leave that chance in for tomorrow. Better shot comes on Sunday. That's when this cold front starts to work its way through. That'll come through Sunday night, and that gives us a better shot of some showers. So we'll plan it out for you here on Future View. Mainly clear skies tonight as we head into tomorrow morning. I'll say a mix of sun and clouds, maybe a few more clouds as we head towards the afternoon. Future View holds off rain showers until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then as we head overnight to Saturday night and into Sunday, a few more clouds, maybe mostly cloudy skies for the day on Sunday. Holds off the showers until later on in the afternoon into the evening hours, but we're going to continue to monitor that. Tonight, 71 degrees, some areas of fog out there. Tomorrow, 92 degrees. Going to be hot and humid out there. Tomorrow night, 74. Still a warm night. Chance for storms through the overnight hour again on Sunday. Slight chance for that sticking around a little bit into Monday, but we do start to see temperatures dropping. It'll still be a little bit warm and sticky as we gradually cool off behind that cold front Sunday and into Monday. But we get to see some sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday, which will be nice. Unfortunately, we do have another chance for some showers or storms coming in later in the week, but at least those temperatures will be closer to normal in the lower 80s.
It is just so uncomfortable out there.
I know. I enjoyed it. There was a little bit of a breeze in the middle of the day today, so it actually was kind of nice. So
when was that? And where were we?
That was 1 o'clock. I was on my way in here. We had gusts up to about 20 miles per hour.
I was in a hot car
at
that point. All right, thanks, Courtney.
Thanks, Courtney.